Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's the
Wow, that gave
pre-market
me a
report.
headache.
What?
Screaming into my ear. Can I say something?
Man, you got to bring it, man. Let's
I've
get
got
a little
bloody.
energy for these people. I
I've
mean, they
got
got it.
bloody.
People are tired, man. They're getting up. They're getting a cup
Welcome,
of
chameleon.
Chameleonos. Let's do this,
Love
man.
it.
Let's get these guys some. I promise them winners today, man. Not losers. Winners. Can you get them some winners today, man?
Can you give us a definition of a winner? Is it volatility coming in or going up? Is it the stock moving higher or lower? I mean, that's the beauty of options. There's so many ways you can be long and short at the same time. It is awesome.
How can you
sharing
lose?
the screen?
That's my question. Is like, how do you lose, dude? I'm talking to this guy at work. He says he's returning 50% a year. And I'm talking to my brother. My brother's like, that's impossible. He can't do that. I'm like, well, what's wrong with you, man? Of course you can. You just need to get your trades right, man.
I said we should bring him. Said we should bring him on. See what he's doing. That would be awesome.
Get your trades right. Yeah.
Can we get him on?
Definitely.
All right.
Although he might charge us for his strategy. Now that he's got a.
Let him know I can block his IP. So can you see the chameleon? Did you get that disclosure up there?
You want the disclosure?
Jobs this morning.
All right, let's get the disclosure up. Everybody, stay safe trading out there. No stupid stuff. We're walking you through some stuff, but take time, figure it out on your own. Pull up your panties.
Well, it's more about understanding that there's unlimited risk in the option.
There is unlimited risk.
That's why on most days I show spreads, because with spreads there is limited risk. You know the limits of your risk. So that's why I tend to show spreads. But if you are selling options naked, you then have unlimited risk if you were just short an option on the upside.
But Will, isn't that how you get rich, man? Isn't that how
that?
you get the extra pool, the extra home at the beach?
That is how a lot of people who are following unusual option volumes and trying to piggyback trades. That's how maybe your buddy's making 50% a quarter.
This is how Will say that there's one out of every couple hundred guys who used to be on the floor. One guy would be super wealthy, and then about another 200 guys would be out on the street, out of trading. Right. This is the way it was.
Well, I don't think it was like that, but
how often? Well, what is it? What's the odds that?
I think like everything, it's 80. It's the 80-20, and it's not out into the street. There were guys making extraordinary livings, and then there were people just making a living.
Oh, so you can just make a living doing this? Whoa!
I think there are a lot of opportunities to make a living.
Tell us the secrets, man. Let's get into it. What are you looking at, man?
So, anyways, today, and this. Sadly, is a little late to the show, but I figured I'd mention it anyway. So I don't know if you know what's coming towards the East Coast of America right now.
Where's the generator stocks when I need them, man? Generators.
Exactly. We're about 8 days late. I mean, this must have shown up on the radio as a little butterfly flap off the coast of Africa. Yeah. I don't know, 10, 15 days ago.
Yeah.
But there's one big generator stock in particular.
Are you serious? You're actually looking at generators, people. Just so you know, we don't talk ahead of time. So this is you literally are looking at a generator stock. Here we go, man. Yeah. This is awesome.
But the interesting thing, I looked at the seasonality today.
Yeah.
Actually, the whole Genesis, even though there's a big cyclone on the TV this morning, that's not what's made me say, let's go look at the stocks. It was the stock screener I was looking at. And I saw Home Depot and Lowe's were popping up as uptrends. I'm like, I wonder what's going on there.
Jesus. People, don't make this complicated. People are just people. Oh, storm coming. Got to get some stuff. I mean, that's just as simple as it is, man.
That's what's going on. So they're both in a big uptrend. So Lowe's and Home Depot, both of them are showing opportunities for bull call spreads. In Lowe's in particular had a bunch with the cushion we like and the upside, and that's only through that's only 10 days out. Mm-hmm. So there's 50%, 47%, 27%, 24%. So there are a lot of spreads available, particularly in Lowe's, to take a look at.
Right.
Home Depot, I think there were some bull put spreads to look at. Nothing in the call spreads. but two interesting stocks to look at going into this storm and the recovery after this storm. But this Generac, what I found interesting, I looked at the seasonality, and this is something to keep on the radar for next season in particular. You could still play it going into October.
Sure.
I mean, it's had a move already in the stock, obviously.
Yeah.
But 7 of the last 8 Octobers, the stock's average move is 15%.
Man, there you go.
They're all the moves right there.
Yep.
And let's
So Lowe's
see
was
there.
you saw a couple opportunities in Lowe's, couple in Home Depot.
Yep. And now in this Generac, there was only one call spread.
Yep.
And
but let me say this. Let me say, okay, well, I think this hurricane's going to bend to the north. It's going to be a close call, but it's going to be a miss. So what would you do if you believe if that was going to be the storm track? What would you do then?
Well, I would wait to the end of the week, Friday, and then you'd start looking at what's the opposite of a bull call and put spread. I would spread your wrist. I would start looking at the put spreads, the bear and bull put spreads.
Gotcha.
And call spreads. That's what I would do. I'd do the opposite of this bullish play.
Yep. Nice.
So you could do that as well. Wait till after the storm. You probably
no, but I don't want to wait till after, man. I want to do it now while I think it's running up. And
I think it's Friday's the day. This is supposed to hit Friday.
Right.
So that would be your play through the weekend. Very, very good point, by the way, there, Adam.
These things do have a tendency to turn, but you never know. What day is it supposed to hit? Do we have any idea?
I think it's late Friday evening into the weekend.
Oh, man. Nice. You going to go do some surfing, man? Maybe catch some hurricane swell?
We are going over to the beach this weekend.
Nice.
They're saying that the whole East Coast, the coastline is going to be closed to bathers. Is that how do they do that?
We're going to put out the army to make sure you're not going swimming. Exactly. Do you like the government goes out to the beach and tells you not to swim? No, yeah. It's trying to save lives. They're trying to save lives. People are stupid.
Yep. You don't want to go into the water.
Swimming in hurricane surf is like it's like trading options, man. Huge risk, huge reward, right?
It can be a wonderful adrenaline flow.
It can.
Both of them.
Yep.
All right, my brother. Thanks for putting this together.
All right, man. And everybody remember, click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell so you get the notification when we're live. We're heading over to Facebook right now. So anybody on still online, you can hop over to Facebook and we'll catch you over there. All right. Happy trading, everyone.
There's a whole story on Facebook out there, too. We'll talk about it.
Oh, yeah. I love it. Later.